Hello there, welcome to my channel. My name is Molly and here we have some sewing crafts and fun. Today I'm really excited because I wanted to show you what is going to be my new sewing space. My mom has been working on clearing out this area on top of our garage so that she and I can use it as an art studio together. And today I'm hoping to start moving in some of my things. Let's take a look up there. It's so rainy up here. I really hope that you can hear this audio. I'm trying to use my mouse. I'm trying to use my mic more often again, just so I make sure that the sound quality is better for you guys. But yes, this is the room. It is at the peak of our garage, so it does have that sloping ceiling and has some really nice skylight windows. Those I think are going to be great for letting in natural light, which is something, we don't really have in my bedroom. I am just so excited to get to use this space. I have been, living out of my parents' basement for about 5 years now, and getting to have another area to sort of decorate and express myself in is going to be really nice. I absolutely adore living with my family, but I do think that when you get older, there is sort of that desire to create your own area. I have been able to do that with my room, but there are some limitations there. This, I think, is also hopefully going to help me be more productive with making videos. I'm working full-time, so I'm in a position where making videos takes me a long time and I can't necessarily get them up as fast as I want to, but if I have sort of a dedicated area where I'm not having to constantly move my projects around depending on what's going on in my life, I think that's gonna help me be more productive. I'm also going to get to share this area with my mom. Her desk is on the other side of the room, and I'm not going to show it to you guys yet because I want her to, get things the way she wants it, just so that she can be comfortable with what is going to be out there. I'm really hopeful that we'll have some time together where she'll be working on a project and I'll be working on a project. I think I get a lot of my creativity from my mom. So the idea of us working together is really exciting. I think I'm hoping to get the sewing machine up here today. My computer monitor is on the desk right now, so I gotta move that back into the house. And then going forward, I'm still going to use my crafting closet that I cleaned out last year. If you want to see the video, I will put a link up above. And store all my fabric there so that this space does not just become really, really cluttered, and that way I can just bring up the supplies that I need. Hopefully that'll work out. We'll start moving things in and it'll be great. Alright, so I've gotten the beginnings of my stuff moved in and I'm so excited. I'm really sorry, I misplaced my mic again, so I'll try and find that before we record next time. So I have some more time before dinner to hang out in the new space, and I thought we could just sew on a bit more trim to this gray skirt I've been working on and sort of christen the space together. ran out of black thread, so I will finish the skirt later. I will leave you all to have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, feel free to give it a like, and if you want to see more, please subscribe. Be brave and do your best. Okay, bye.